and welcome back to the Veti Rider. Like we promised, here we are with an episode with probably the most beautiful waterfall near Bangalore, which is the Ganalu Falls. It's just 5 to 10 minutes from the Birota Watchtower. Yet another mesmerizing place. If you guys haven't yet checked out the video, here is the link. Now let's quickly get into the video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, then please do subscribe. The off-roading continues and there is no specific signboards guiding us to the falls. Just take the left from this board and follow this path to reach the destination. We had just witnessed an amazing forest view and the Shimsha river and are now on our way to this magnificent beauty. Now many people were walking towards the falls. We are not sure if they like trekking or they did not know that the cars could go till the parking of the falls. But the information for you guys is that you can reach till the falls entryway by even a tempo traveler. Now the first major attraction which is on the way is this water stream. Don't forget to stop by while going itself because later you might get tired and would not have much energy to enjoy it. It's a pleasant feel hanging around here. This off-road is certainly a plus to this place. Don't worry about the route as it's suitable for both motorcycles and cars, and you would get to park right at the point where you can see the waterfall. Now as we reached the parking, the falls looked gorgeous from the parking itself and was tempting all of us to go down to admire its beauty, and we could not wait to take a clear look at this waterfall. And the best part was there is a trek to whichever point you would like to reach to the falls, but it would be at your own risk. Please watch your steps as this trek is super steep and quite slippery. And there it is, the Ganalu Falls for you guys. To be honest, we did not expect it to be such a treat to our eyes. There were multiple falls and the water was kind of showing us the types of falls it can have. We thought we came in here at the right time, but when we got to speak to the localites, they told us that the water flow is higher at times. However, not sure as to which season it would reach the highest point. If any one of you guys know it, then do let us know in the comments. All that being said, it's time for some drone shots. Everything was perfect today. The climate, the bike ride, and then this view covered entirely with greenery. We could see from far a water stream which was falling down from a huge mountain surface, trying to reach the ground from all possible directions of the mountain, creating this beautiful panorama. Hope you guys like this video, and if you are planning for a getaway this weekend and have not decided upon the place yet, then don't think twice, just get to the Ganalu Falls. We bet you won't regret, and do share your experience once you have visited the place. See you guys on an amazing episode next week. Until then, take care.